3 easy steps to produce cleaner instruments. Step 1. Instrument Presoak. The purpose of this step is to prevent bioburden from hardening, which makes instruments difficult to clean, increases cleaning time, and can cause pitting and damage. A. Safely transport instruments to your facility decontamination area. B. If your instruments are not cleaned immediately, spray and completely cover with BrandMax Tri-Clean Triple Enzyme Foam. C. Do not allow bioburden to dry. Reapply as necessary. D. Rinse instruments thoroughly prior to inserting in ultrasonic cleaner. Step 2. Cleaning process. A. Prepare your ultrasonic cleaner by heating to 110 degrees Fahrenheit and degas for 15 minutes prior to use each day. B. Add 1 ounce per gallon of water of BrandMax Tri-Clean Enzymatic Cleaner Concentrate. C. Carefully add soiled instruments to ultrasonic and set time for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. D. Carefully remove and rinse instruments. E. If not using cassettes, air or pat dry instruments with appropriate clean towel. F. Visually inspect instruments to confirm thorough cleaning. Step 3. Prep for sterilization. A. Proceed to the sterilization process per your facility protocol. All steps serve as a general guideline to instrument cleaning. Please contact your instrument manufacturer to confirm specific instructions. Utilizing the 3 steps above with your BrandMax Tri-Clean Ultrasonic Cleaner and BrandMax Tri-Clean Triple Enzymatic Cleaner will help produce cleaner instruments, prolong instrument life, improve infection prevention. This process with our products is called the Tri-Clean ecosystem. Are your instruments BrandMax clean? Contact us today. Customer service at brandmax.us. www.brandmax.us.